Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy target. This is a target, okay? This is a plastic, not, this is a paper toy target, okay? Nice. This is had various color, okay? Red, black, yellow, blue, white, black, 100. Yes! Nice. Then guys, can show you this toy shotgun. Okay, this is a red, black, red color combination toy shotgun. Okay, guys. This is a toy shotgun. And this is a taser. This is a silver color taser. Okay, guys.
Oh yeah.
Nice. The trigger is also nice. And how it works? Turn and shoot. Another time. Turn and shoot. Then guys, I can show you this black color, yellow color and orange color combination toy shotgun. Guys, see? Do you see? The toy shotgun is nice. Guys, wow, amazing. Wow. See the area, the muzzle, OMG. And how it works, guys? Turn and shoot. Wow. Another time, guys. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Nice. Then guys, I can show you this bracelet. This is a silver color bracelet, okay? This is a silver bracelet, okay? Nice. Then guys, I can show you this mini battery. This is very essential for every commercial things, okay? Nice. Then guys, this best speak small star, this great and big toy shotgun. Yes, this is nice. What a combination it had. Wow, amazing guys. See, did you guys? What a big shotgun it is. This is nice guys. I just watch it and show you how big it is. Okay guys, and it have a razor light, guys. See the razor light? The razor light had the red dots. Okay, I assemble it.
Oh
Guys,
yeah.
I assemble it. Okay, and how it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. And it had another element, another shotgun that is same.
Oh
Like
yeah.
I assemble it. It is a cost tip. Okay guys, this is a cost tip. And how this two work? Turn and guys shoot. Wow. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye guys.